As promised at our last fundraising, we have been systematically spending in the ground. Alastair is going to talk on the results and strategy of the campaign. Capital allocation is key for early stage exploration companies, and we have now completed our diamond drilling, which, although not hitting the grades we were hoping for, has given us vital information for understanding the structure and directing our upcoming fully funded RC drilling campaign.
The diamond drilling told us that from surface to 200 metres we have a good grasp on the Yarrol deposit, but at depth the structures become a lot more complex and the consistency of the grade becomes more sporadic. It showed us that the greatest near-term value is in these shallow zones close to surface, down to about 150 metres, and that's where our focus is going to be for the near term. And in the mid-term, we're going to review our data from the diamond drilling and also our earlier RC programme, and update our geological model at depth to better understand what controls the gold mineralisation beyond 150 metres. We have multiple high-grade targets ready to test at Yarrol, in the area where we've been drilling already, but also satellite deposits at Starlight as well, and southern extension to the historic resource area. We also have areas that deserve attention at Manal and Mount Stedman, where there is a historic resource as well, where we are keen to get some drill rigs in. And again, test mineralisation that has already been proven from surface down to about 80 metres, and try and extend that to depth as well. It's the best risk-adjusted returns per dollar invested for us, so it's best for our investors. And because we have historic resources on some of these targets, it's less greenfield risk as well. Again, the deeper extensions to the mineralisation at Yarrol aren't being ignored, but we're giving ourselves the time to understand what is happening past kind of 200 metres and refine our geological model. The RC drilling is fully funded. We've updated it with the knowledge we've gained from the diamond drilling, and we're going to focus again on that near surface down to 150, 200 metre zone, where we have higher confidence in the gold continuity and grades at Yarrol. We're also going to start testing some of the satellite deposits at Yarrol itself, and some of the southern and northern extensions which our drilling has successfully demonstrated go beyond the historic resource footprint. We want a key near-term catalyst for shareholders, and the market updates from this drilling will follow in due course. The pads are prepped, the contractor is ready to roll to site, so we're all ready to go on that one. Well, our main strategy now is to prove up with more confidence at Yarrol, those areas where we've intersected good mineralisation, both in the historic resource footprint, but to the north we've found good extensions, and to the south, as well as testing satellite deposits around Yarrol itself. We will then also start systematically testing along the rest of the 20-kilometre structure that the licence sits over, and take the updated geological model forward to help generate new targets and assets for the company as well.
The company is still well positioned with multiple high growth opportunities, which is why we took on these assets in the first place.
Diamond drilling and our earlier RC drilling validated the presence of good, often high-grade mineralisation from surface down to 150 and nearly 200 metres in some holes. So we know it's a good system with good grade mineralisation there. The diamond drilling, though, also showed that there is structural and possible geochemical complexity at depths past 200 metres within this system. We need to go away, we need to understand that and use the high-value data we've just collected to better refine our geological model and inform our targeting of the system at depth in the mid-term. But in the near term, we have confidence in this near-surface mineralisation. That's where we're going to focus, and that's where we're going to generate value. Investors should be watching for the imminent startup of our RC program at Yarrol, which will test the extensions we've proven up through our RC and diamond drilling, and also do a bit more infilling on the historic resource area as we try to build this into a kind of a more scalable asset. We will also be testing some of the satellite targets as well, so there's good information that should be coming out of those. We will also We will make regular market updates as the program progresses. We have great targets that we are excited to develop and bring to drill testing. Yarrol is the near-term focus to back up the good results we have had there, but we are already advancing targets in Manal and Mount Stedman and look forward to announcing updates on those in due course. For Yarrol, we're also looking forward to testing some of the satellite targets, which we haven't been able to get to yet, but have great historic data and historic workings around them, so demonstrate the presence of more mineralization, again, from surface. And we have a clear plan now, using the data we have, to test the shallow zones first and preserve that deeper upside for once we've refined our geological model. We have got a very strong technical team now and are developing every day our detailed geological understanding of this deposit, so we're really generating value there as well. And we're positioned to deliver news flow and value throughout the year.
Thank you for your time, and I look forward to updating you in the near future.